I have some major news for you coming from Tesla Giga Texas. Apparently, Tesla CEO Elon Musk very recently, in the past few days, visited Giga Texas to inspect the progress at Tesla's Austin Gigafactory, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this soon. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Martin Marietta from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss for my next Tesla story, and subscribe for daily Tesla news. Our friend from Austin, Texas, Joe Tegtmeyer, who has been sending us Giga Texas news regularly to share with Torque News community, says literally this: some major news today as Elon was on site at Giga Texas. And then in parentheses he writes, I did not see him, but no, he was there. End of the parenthesis. And the contractor that will build the foundation is setting up shop. Keystone Concrete, which is local and large company specializing in this kind of work. So Joe's email came on Saturday, September 19, and we assume that Elon Musk visited Tesla Giga Texas last Saturday, September 19, right before the Sunday, and inspected the Gigafactory, and that we learned that Keystone Concrete is going to be the large company specializing in this kind of work, building Giga Texas, will be the contractor for Tesla. Joe also writes that in addition, concrete is being poured at the far north pad we have been wondering about over the past month or so, and the work is being done by Martin Marietta, making this highly likely they are expanding the on-site concrete batch and mixing operations to support the enormous amount of concrete Giga Texas will need in the very near future. With Elon Musk there, the foundation contractor on site, and the preparations for concrete production, we are getting close to seeing the real foundation construction beginning soon. Joe says, I also included a narrated discussion of battery and shareholder day questions patent to Giga Texas. Pertinent to Giga Texas, and he says, I don't expect to get answer to all of them, but some would be nice. So he says, one last thing, there is a hurricane approaching the Texas coast this weekend and early next week, and I think this one will impact the Austin area to some extent, so I may not be able to fly on Monday. Glad I was able to get all this information, be there when Elon showed up, and get this footage before the battery day. It's interesting that, have you guys heard anything that Elon Musk visited Tesla Giga Texas? If yes, please let us know in the comments section below, and let me know if you guys know any details about this. But we know that 2 weeks ago when Elon Musk, I think was it 2 weeks ago, right, that when Elon Musk visited Gigafactory in Berlin, that was huge excitement in Berlin, and we see the work is moving on with astonishing speed, and I think now it's turn for Giga Texas inspecting, and maybe once the travel restrictions are over, maybe Elon will visit Giga Shanghai to inspect the phase 2 of Giga Shanghai Gigafactory. Our friend Joe also says that on 19 September, Giga Texas update video, Elon visits the foundation contractor is on site, concrete production capabilities are being built, and a lot of more. He says it was truly another day of significant progress for Tesla Giga Texas. He says on the far north pad, Martin Marietta is laying down several concrete slabs, most likely to support a concrete batch and or mixed production area to service the enormous amount of concrete Giga Texas will be needing soon. More earthwork around the Martin Marietta abandoned batch plant on the west coast, and he says crews are working quickly now at the West Pond area, draining a large amount of water and bringing in a lot of field dirt. The goal is to get all of this area dry, filled, compacted, and leveled so the foundation can extend to its final dimensions while being properly supported. It looks like a hurricane is coming. I haven't checked the weather, but I'm taking Joe's word on it. So if the hurricane is coming that bad too, is going to affect the Austin area, I don't know, maybe there will be some slowdown in the Gigafactory Texas work, but after that things should go ahead with full speed, and we expect to see the foundation work done maybe in the next 2 weeks, I think. We'll keep an eye on that, and we'll let you know as Gigafactory Texas rises in Austin, like we have been reporting about Giga Berlin. Well, friends, let's keep watching Joe's video. Joe, thank you very much for this video and information about Elon Musk's visit to Tesla Giga Texas. And let's continue with watching Joe's video, and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and see you soon. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com.